You make me nervous.
Butter?
Yeah, you threw it out.
Yeah, I asked you.
I don't have it anymore, so I need to get
So
more.
you're doing the life thing Grandpa does. But you don't forget. You do the same thing now.
Because
That's
I'm
why I asked you before you do that, because I didn't know if you were using it as a reminder, you just leave it there.
a reminder that I can, tomorrow when I registered that for yesterday reminder, because
Right.
I'm going to upstairs in the old house, and I wanna pick up something over there because there's ton in the downstairs, but I forgot because you rushed me. Okay, who wants food? Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday and Tom is here, and I have something for the dog from Aunt Jeannie, from Aunt Andrea. Anyway, so yesterday we're packing. I don't show you guys what we packed. Furniture for upstairs, but we put it in because it's an old furniture and it's a really good. I usually, I don't really want to keep old furnitures, but these furnitures, guys, it's real wood, antique, old stuff. I think I showed it to you, right? From the other house, yeah, from in our room over there. Okay, so I put it in the basement, not the basement, the garage, because I put it in the garage because I will paint it. We did some stuff from the other house, like family stove. Most of that go to the basement. Over here. Hi, baby. What are you doing? Changing lights?
You wash that thing so I put it back up.
Ah, it's no light over here. Yes. Oh, this is the furniture that the other one that I don't need to paint. It's right here. This one right here. It's a nice furniture. It's not real. It's fake. This is from my sister-in-law, the mother of the kid that you guys see. Yeah, need to be cleaned up, and I have to change position with that. It's wobbly. I'm gonna go fishing this way. There is another one of that. There is it's a whole set, but this is the one that we carried. It's heavy though. Even though it's fake, that's heavy. You want me to wash it?
Disgusting? Yeah.
Me? Oh, dear me.
The thought.
Ay, nako. I thought you will do it. You don't eat your breakfast? No, you didn't eat your breakfast. No. There's no way you out. You're looking for daddy because dada will let you out. Not me. You bark. Be nice. I said be nice. Oh my god. Be nice. Be nice to me. You're trying to bite my hand. Don't you? Did you hear that, guys? She talk back? You do talk back. I don't want that. I don't want that. You took back like, ay, nako. Okay, you wanna go out? Let's go out. Okay, look at how happy she is to go out. I'm just fold this, guys. The laundry that I did that. Oh god, this is my thing. I always fold the laundry late, a little bit, 3 days later. Han, obladi, oblada. It's not a word, right? The obladi, oblada.
Huh?
So where did you get that word?
Make it up.
Huh?
Make it up.
How do you make it up? I guess I can write a song also with making up word.
No.
You know what he's doing, guys? He's trying to fix the other light fixture. The other light fixture, hon. Fixture. Fissure. The other light fissure? Are you fissure? I don't know why it's fixture. The other light thing. Why not the other light thing? Thing, not like the other light thing. You know, it's like fixture. Like fix. Fix is a different. Chore is a different. You put it together. Fixture. You're fixing the chore. The chauvinist. Nabubuang na yung asawa ko, guys, sa akin. Kasi ano-ano nang pinagsasabi ko. Any advertisement, guys. We have this in the Philippines. Well, most Filipino that in the province and then watch TV, we have this contest. Whoever did for example, the advertisement, when the advertisement show up in the TV, you have to like guess quick. And then, okay, what advertisement is that? Tide, Milo, Alaska, Smart, Globe, like that. And then, if you lost, you have a pitik in your hand. You do pitik, like I pitik your hand, and then you have to. It's hard. We have that pitik, or a lipstick in your face, but you have to guess really fast. Roxy's been barking. I have a favorite song, guys, that I have right now. I want you to know my favorite song right now. That it's like it's in my head. It's the Obladi Oblada. Now it's not. Okay. Song that I really like, guys. It's like I don't know this song. I don't know the lyrics, guys, but I love the song. Hello, Tamari. She was so nice. Obladi, oblada, like it's on, la la la, like goes on. Obladi, oblada. What song is that?
Kit Kat.
Okay, what's your song to me? You said?
Pay attention to the words of that song.
Kit Kat more, guys. Guys, if you're in the US, guys, you will hear that song advertised. Rip me off the piece of that Kit Kat bar. Is that correct now?
That's correct. It was a little weird.
What is that two head is facing this way? Why is this two head is facing this way? They love each other. This dog is the laziest dog in the planet. The laziest dog in the planet. You're the laziest dog in the planet. She give up her leg. It's like, Daddy, please, my belly. That's the important part. My belly, Daddy, my belly.
Huh? Don't be recording me.
No.
Yeah, I know. I hear the beat and know this.
Love, sweet love.
What the world needs now.
We are leaving. I know you guys, you're tired to see this. I'm tired, guys, to wearing this all the time in my video. Anyway, guys, we're going to drop off the trailer, and then gonna go get something like egg, butter, huh? Oh, where we gonna go? Home Depot. Bye, guys. The two dogs are like Roxy like this. That's the thing, guys. Look, this is the thing that I'm planning to how do you call that? Paint. This one is good for like makeup thing because there's the middle of that. This is the middle, and there is a mirror. Yep. And I'm going to paint it with white, and this one too white, and that one too white. They're all white. It's a nice design, so. We're gonna put this back. Break me up a Kit Kat, a piece.
Break me off a piece.
Break me up a piece of that Kit Kat bar. And my own word, guys, wake me up on Kit Kat bar. What the frick is that Kit Kat advertisement stuck into your head? I never believed in love. Dee-da-dee-dan, dee-da-dan, dee-da-dee-dan, dee-dan, 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 dee-dee-dee-da-dee-dan, dee-da-dan, dan 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 dan, dan 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 dan. Oh bloody, oh bloody, life goes on. La 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 la, life goes on. Beatles, be Beatles, be Beatles, dolls, 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 dolls. I just wanna do a quick thank you and a shout out. Thank you so much, Davao Dreamin', and yeah, thank you for the shout out, guys. Thank you for the shout out, sis, and yeah, thank you so much. Okay, we're in a garden area, guys. We are looking for what are we looking for? Mulch and cover under it. So still this one right here. Dito kami sa Walmart, guys. At saka ito yung hobby ko dyan. Saka look at this one. It looks good though. It's expensive. Look at that.
This?
Yeah.
Yeah, Angus.
This one too. It looks so good.
£10
Yeah, it's really expensive. For the dog, we get egg, cedar bacon pasta salad. I got the
chicken flavor, do you want
okra,
these?
cheese swirl, pork steak. We're done, guys. We are leaving. We're home. We're home. We're going home. Okay, I'm going this way. You follow me. Follow me, master. There's no open over here, master. Huh?
Down that way.
Okay. That's my master right there. Right, Master Tommy?
Yeah, that's where.
We're gonna have lunch. Are you gonna have lunch, son? Yes, you're going to have lunch. We're gonna eat. Yes, he's gonna eat. Yes, he's gonna eat. Yes, he's gonna eat. Small one, hon. You get it, honey. You get it. You
I
get
guess they were small, like that.
Yeah, like that.
Because that's his move. He wants to buy some buildup.
I can't do live, guys.
She is pregnant, expecting her first child with her hilarious, talented
I'm so tired. I can't do live, so yeah, I'm just gonna let him relax. And he's going to drive back home very soon too, so ayaw ko rin siyang maloko ngayon kasi sobrang kapoy, kaso nakakapoy, sobrang tired yung katawan niya. Baka masuntok ako.
Give me one cheesy garlic bread also with that.
Okay, guys, Tommy is leaving soon, and he changed the light over here. It's not yellow anymore, it's white. It's nicer, hon. It's white, hon. No, you don't even play. They're not a dog player, a ball player. Look at that. Hi guys, Tommy just left. No, just left. It's almost 2 hours already he left. I'm gonna call him. And anyway, I don't do a lot of things tonight, but I accomplished. It's already 7 o'clock, 2 minutes to 7 o'clock, and I did accomplish. Okay. I put the cover, the black cover right there, and then I put molds on top. So yan, ipipick up ko yun yung garbage na kinuha ko from here. No! Go! Now! Bad girl! Guys, I'm gonna have a heart attack here, guys. I went out, I told you guys, I went gardening outside. I just have to wash this, guys, first. Hold on. Because I'm shaking right now, I'm shaking. Bad girl! I did gardening, remember? And then I went, open the gate over there for me to able to get out. So what I did is get the mulch in the garage and go to the side of the door and go to the gate that I can just don't come inside the house. So I forgot to close the freaking gate. And then what happened was I heard Misty barking really far. And I run like crazy because the gate is open and Misty's outside and there's kids over there. And then Misty just keep barking. Roxy heard Misty barking far. So it's just crazy, guys. And then I have to run like a horse, follow them, because you know dogs run really fast. So I run after them. They don't listen, guys. They don't really listen. It seems like they are playing. That's a big yard. They're playing like crazy. So they just went banachi, guys. They went banana, they went banana, guys. And then the neighbors came out. The whole family came out over here. Keep saying sorry, guys, because it's in the yard running around. And then because I run after them, they run across the street. And then there's trucks. My voice, guys, can you imagine when you're yelling somebody that don't listen? Don't freaking listen. That's what I did. Calling their name. That's it. I yelled, guys, that they won't listen because I know they're hard-headed. And it's embarrassing. My voice is all over the place, and you know this place is so quiet. So every little whisper everybody heard, and how much more I'm yelling. Anyway, right now I am cooking some okra, and that's what my dinner. And I'm just really exhausted, guys. I'm telling you, I was gardening exhausted already, carrying the mulch big bag and digging the weeds. And then after that, I have to run after the dog, and you know the yard. If you, I don't know, you don't see the yard over here is really big. The properties in the neighborhood is big. The neighbors' property is big. The across the street is all big. And so the dog is like they have their own whole 9 yards. And they think it's freaking fun. Me, it's not fun. I'm nervous because the neighbor have a dog over there. And I hear that dog is kind of barky also. And what if, guys, I went, and then you know what I said? Dada's here, come here, Dada's right. And then, oh my god, I want to kill them. I'm sorry, guys. It's just because I'm shaking. Until now I'm shaking. And right now they know that they did something bad. Look at them. I don't know if you can see them, but they're right there. They won't even come close to me because I'm so mad. I just want to show you guys what's that 2 dogs. They're like away from me now. They don't want to come to me close because they know I am mad. She's shaking, guys. She's shaking. You can't go out, huh? No. No. She's shaking. You make me nervous. Okay, come in now. Come up now. Come in now here. Come in now. Okay. You listen to mama, huh? Come in now. Up now. Okay, you listen to mama. Be a good girl. You're still shaking. Be a good girl, huh? Don't do that to me again. I'm so nervous. I was so nervous. Yes, mama's nervous. You have to listen. You listen to me. Be a good girl because I don't want to lose you, and then there's a lot of trucks over there and you embarrass me from the neighbor. I act like stupid. Didn't know they did something bad. She was shaking when I'm mad. They both like shaking and behave doesn't even bother me, and they're just looking for forgiveness, and you know they come to me slowly, and I'm still shaking. And right now I'm gonna have dinner and I'm just gonna eat okra, guys. I kind of losing the appetite of eating dinner. It's already 8:17 in the evening. Yeah, okra lang. Okra at saka a dipping sauce. I'm just gonna end this vlog, guys. And yeah, I'm just gonna end this vlog early. Well, it's 9 o'clock already, so it's nothing early about it. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I bring the flower here, the bonsai. It's dying out there. I don't know why. Look at it. Maybe because it's cold outside. I don't know. So that's why I bring it in here. It's dying. I don't get it. It's been here inside my house since I got it, and then I bring them outside. They're unhappy. So anyway, guys, I'm going to end this vlog with my flower, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, guys. Good night. Good night, flower. I hope you're happy inside. What happened to my underwear? They're holy cow, and then you're looking at it. It's embarrassing.
That's right. I just have to.
I don't even let Tommy watch my underwear.